We finally got the official images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra along with the regular and Plus variants. And let me tell you, there are a couple of surprises there. On top of that, I've got 4 more interesting updates about the S25 Ultra, so let's get right into it. What's up guys, Sal here. So first up, let's talk about those official photos of the S25 Ultra. Straight from Samsung, the phone is shown off in its signature titanium blue color. The images feature the device inside an official clear case, giving us a great look at its flat sides and those impressively thin bezels. Another thing to note is Samsung's new Qi 2 ready case, which comes with a magnet array that attaches to the device. Speaking of Qi 2, just yesterday, Wireless Power Consortium confirmed that Samsung's upcoming devices will support the Qi 2 standard. But here's the catch, we don't yet know if the phone itself will have magnets or if Samsung will rely on these magnetic cases to enable the feature. To make things even more interesting, in future, the source of these images claims the S25 Ultra will support 25 watts of wireless charging, a solid 10 watts jump over the S24 Ultra. But hold up, because certification sites still mention the same old 15 watts. So this is a little confusing. Guess we'll have to wait for Samsung to clear this up. By the way, Samsung has officially announced that the next Unpacked event is set for January 22nd. And to build some hype, they're offering a $5,000 giveaway. All you need to do is show interest. No credit card is required. Just enter your name and email to reserve your spot. Samsung's also throwing in $50 in free credits, which you can use once pre-orders for the S25 go live. And you'll also unlock savings of up to $1,250, likely including trade-ins and storage upgrades. It's a no obligation deal, so you can reserve now and decide later. Don't miss out, there's a link in the description below. Moving on, here are the official images of the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus in the new icy blue color. What stands out are the black camera rings. This is surprising because earlier leaks suggested the S25 Plus wouldn't have them. Turns out this image was likely of the S24 Plus disguised as the S25 Plus. In any case, the official images confirm that the both regular and Plus variants will have thinner bezels compared to last year's models. Other than the slimmer bezels and the new camera rings, don't expect any significant design changes for the non-Ultra variants. Now let's talk about AI. The next big innovation in smartphone revolves around artificial intelligence, and Samsung seems ready to take it up a notch with the S25 series. iUniverse claims the S25 will show Apple what leading AI is, hinting that Samsung's about to pull something big out of the bag, something Apple and others might not even be close to. What are these features? We don't know yet, but one of them is gonna be the new Bixby. Samsung has integrated large language model support into Bixby, putting it on the same level as AI big shots like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. With this, Bixby could handle stuff like booking your flights, ordering dinner, or managing your day, all with just a few taps or voice commands. Google's working on similar stuff for Android 16 as well. Samsung has even showcased that they are making the Now bar smarter by making it pull information from all your apps and create a personalized summary. For instance, if you're planning a trip, the Now bar can remind you when to sleep, suggest exercises, recommend travel apps, check weather conditions for your destination, and even show currency exchange rates, all without you lifting a finger. Of course, there will be a lot more AI features on the S25. I guess we'll know in the coming days. Finally, let's talk about the S25 Slim. Rumors about its thickness have been circulating that it's gonna be 6.x millimeters of thick. And we now have the exact number. It's 6.6 millimeters. That's a full millimeter thinner than the standard S24, though still slightly thicker than the iPhone 17 Slim, which is supposed to measure 6.2 millimeters. However, the S25 Slim has its advantages. It packs more cameras and a larger battery, making it a more well-rounded device compared to the iPhone 17 Slim, despite being marginally thicker.